If the economy is doing so well, why are so many Fortune 100 companies laying off employees or closing storefronts? It's not just the small mom and pop stores. We are talking about 100 of the largest revenue generating public and private companies in the United States, laying off thousands upon thousands of people. Statistics show that layoffs are historically low. Not sure I believe those numbers, but even if that was the case, what's disturbing is the many people that are being laid off were those in positions that were making good salaries. Not too long ago, a booming economy meant thousands upon thousands of people being hired and new startup companies popping up. It meant people being able to pay their bills while working one job and having time after work to hang out with the family and friends. End of 2020, a pandemic had caused government to force people to stay at home. Unfortunately, many jobs require employees be physically present at work. Then, government arbitrarily made up rules during this period, such as it being okay not to pay rent, which meant those that owned rental units or properties were put in a position to default on their loans. Believe it or not, many landlords are your average citizens renting out a house or a small apartment unit. So this rule impacted them greatly. And now we are caught in a cycle. If you do not work, you do not get paid. If you do not get paid, you do not pay your bills. If you do not pay your bills, those who lent you the money, they do not get paid. This causes a stagnant economy. Then the smart people, the government, tried to step in to fix everything. Except now we have food shortages in some areas, inflation everywhere, homelessness has skyrocketed along with crime. Thanks to inflation reducing the value of the dollar, people are sticking to purchasing the absolute necessities. Therefore, people are not buying luxury goods and services offered by companies. So companies are not hitting forecasted margins, which prompts them to lay off employees. If they lay off employees, people do not have jobs. People that do not have jobs don't spend money. And here we are again. This cycle continued in 3 years, putting us in a recession. Except, in their infinite wisdom, government recently changed the definition of a recession. Therefore, the economy is currently doing well. And to top things off, we have powerhouse nations taunting each other, playing a game of chicken that puts us, the people, in an extremely vulnerable position. Listen, recessions and depressions have occurred many times throughout the history of the United States and other nations. And famine has happened many times over the millenniums. There is nothing new about them. The people that know this and take it seriously are those who survive these periods. However, it's the people who ignore the signs that suffer tremendously. There is nothing doom or gloom about being informed and taking action. Simply store enough food for you and your family to get you through these difficult times, and have a means to replenish the food. Do not have complete dependency on the system. For those of you who do not have much money, put the extra work in growing your own food. Remember, you can use your SNAP benefits to buy vegetable seeds and vegetable plants. No panic, no stress, no worries. Just buy and or grow to store a little extra food and water. Thanks for watching.